Hi guys, welcome to bestwebteacher.com. In this video, I am going to show you how to export audio file from Audacity. This is the Audacity software. One voice file is there. I want to export it in my PC. For this, we need to go this file option, and click on export audio desktop. Just name it and click on save it. After that, click on open, and it's showing. If you don't have this file, you need to download it. Click on download button. And from here we can download as per your PC configuration, Windows, Mac or Linux. I have Windows PC, so I need to install this file. Save it in desktop and just run it. It's a very small file. Now again we will do the same process. Export audio, just name it. Click on OK button and it's done. So here is the audio file, you can see. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel and like this video. Again I will come up with a new video. Till then, take care and have a nice day.